Today's subject is comparison, Noah's flood, and another huge clay tablet about Eridu and Atrahasis. Before we discuss about this one, we have to understand a short history of Mesopotamia in the area. Here is Euphrates, and here is the Tigris River, and this is the Mesopotamia, okay? And in the beginning, at the end of the this river, it is called Sumer. Then then later time, another country called Akkad. And then this Akkad, occupied this Sumer too. Then later, then this Sumer third, okay, occupy whole this area. Then later time that Assyria come and the Babylon come, and then that's the history of this Mesopotamia area. Now, the first tablet I am going to mention is called Eridu. That's like one of the city in Iraq or in Mesopotamia area, and then another Atrahasis one developed in Babylonia. Now, I am going to show you one tablet. Okay, this is a tablet in Penn's Museum, the museum in Pennsylvania, and then I watched Kaprov lecture in Penn's Museum, and then archaeologists came and explained all this kind of a thing. And another one is this is called Atrahasis tablet. This is discovered in Babylon, and this is written in Akkad. And the other one is, a Sumerian language. Now, everybody understands that, okay, there is a flood, and then what's wrong with that? And then, yes, it could be in America and in Mexico, there is a lot of flood and all the story of flood. Then, so, okay, there's a flood. Then why, I or non-Christian asking the Christian community, why the story are so similar with Noah's flood? Then they just a little murmur, then could not answer well. Now, when this kind of thing, and then Atrahasis came, and when we are able to translate it into current language, then we know it's very similar. Then Christian community said this way: okay, all those tablets or science does not tell everything perfect. That is true. Then non-Christian community asked them, then who created the science? Then they must say, God created science. Then then when Christian community distrust the science, then what? God did not, create, or make science. So that's the dilemma for Christian community. Now, why I said that, this tablet are very similar, okay? Now, this is the book I have that, written in Korea. That's a root of Bible. I understand that was translated into English too. Now, according to this book, so this Ziusudra is at least this is BC 3300, and this one is around 700. Now, somebody could ask a question. Yeah, this is 700, but Noah's flood is at least BC. Abraham is BC 2000, so maybe 2000 or older than this one. So BC 700. Yes. According to all the years in the Bible, this is true. However, that unfortunately, this Noah's Ark, we believe written by Moses, but we know that already that Moses did not write this, and then this Bible may copy this. That's the problem. Now, now look at how similar it is. And in Ziusudra, and somebody got psychic knowledge and know about flood come. And Atrahasis said that had a dream, and the dream and the flood will come and destroy. And Noah's Ark said, Jehovah, Yahweh, told Noah directly. Okay. Now, according to Ziusudra, the ark is 2 floors, and the Atrahasis said is 7 floor, and the Noah's Ark said 3 floor. Then on this after 7 days, this is 40 days. 40 days is a special number in the Bible, and according to Noah's Ark, the rain comes 40 days, but the other one 7 days each. Now in here, Noah's Ark, the ark is reached at Mountain Ararat, and however that in here called Nimushi, Mountain Nimushi, and over here this mountain. So just the name is the mountain name is different. This is the Nisiru, and this is Nimushi. This is the Ararat. Then this is a very funny part. Over here, the Ziusudra, sent dove to find out whether how much in the flood drain, and then raven. Bible said raven and the dove. This just opposite. that's why non-Christian ask why so similar like this one? Just the same bird, but the different order. That's it. Then Atrahasis said dove and sparrow and then raven. Here are three birds, and here is two bird. But the order is different. When the Bible Noah's flood did not say much, but when Ziusudra came out of the ark, then he found all people turned into mud, because of a flood. Then they in his Ziusudra Atrahasis also offer to God. On this Ziusudra and Atrahasis story that because of flood, and then people, human beings, could not offer to God, so all the gods are hungry now. So when Ziusudra, came out of the ark and offered something, then all the gods came out and fight over each other for this sacrifice. So the story is very similar. Then why so similar? My opinion is, somebody must be copy and write down, all those kind of things. Maybe, somebody, maybe different way. I want to know, how they interpret this, clay tablet, What I'm saying is, seeing is believing. What's your opinion? Thank you so much for your watching.